ವರಿಗ ಸಹಜರೇ ಸಹನ ಸಮರ ಸಮಯಮ ಕರಲು ರಚ್ಚು ಕೈಗಳು ಕೋರ್ತು ಕಾಲ ನಡಕ್ಯು ಪೋಕನ. Strike is striking the central government, which is anti-farmer, anti-Adivasi, anti-people. And they are taking fascist moves in passing the acts which are imposed. They are taking the moves to divide the movement, but we are not divided, we are decentralized. And we know that they stopped our roots and they tried to confuse farmers by giving permission to Ramlila Maidan when our All India Kisan Sangharsha Samanvay demanded the same, but they were not permitting us to enter Delhi. Now Delhi उनके बाप की नहीं है, तो people have entered. उनको मजबूरी से कहो या जनशक्ति से कहो, बॉर्डर्स खुलनी पड़ी, नहीं तो वो खुद को जेल बंद करके अंदर बैठे हुए थे मोदी जी। तो बैठना है तो बैठे, तो हम लोग बॉर्डर पर घेरा डालो डेरा डालो करके रहे। अब जब उन्होंने बॉर्डर्स खोली है, धन्यवाद कि उनको जरा देर नहीं अंधेर, देर सही अंधेर नहीं का नतीजा मिला हमको। Protest is now a movement, it's not an upsurge. So it will be indefinite action till we reach our targets. The immediate targets, not as demands but as pledge, is to get the 3 anti-farmer acts withdrawn and also the Bijli bill, the electricity amendment bill, which is not yet converted into law, withdrawn. So this is like a new freedom movement, you can say, because this is against the iniquity, injustice, exploitation that is faced by farmers. And farmer means all those who live on natural resources and human power.
BJP is telling that it is not a farmers' protest, it's a political protest.
Their decision is political. What is apolitical? Politics, what is it defined as in dictionary? It is the process of setting the relationship between the power holders and the common people right. So we are setting the relationship right. We are all not with any political parties. We are people's movements. And there are some party affiliated organizations. How can we stop them? Are they stopping RSS or Bajrang Dal from taking decisions and making various efforts to divide this country? No. So we will not stop our efforts to unite the country. This being an Azadi Andolan, I would like to remind the people of Kerala that their songs have always inspired us. I can't know every word of the song, but various songs and strength and the moments that the Kerala people have exhibited in the state which is bountiful, not just beautiful, really matter to us. And hence I would remind them of the song. Variga sahajare sahana samara samayama karalu rachchu kaigal kortu kala nadakyu pokana.